Pranam to all! The gardeners and plant lovers love to grow scented flowers in their garden. If you're a gardener who loves sweet, floral scented blossoms, you must simply plant tuberose. It is widely regarded as some of the most fragrant flowers in the world. These plants produce clusters of gorgeous, large, white, pure blooms. If you watched the last video about tuberose, it simply guided you about how to plant tuberose plant by its bulb. Normally, we grow tuberose plant in 8 to 10 inches size pots. But last time, my mom chose some small pots to plant tuberose in. So today let me show you how to grow tuberose easily in small pot. And the care about how to get flowers from the tuberose plant. The pot where we had flowers was only 5 inches. So first, let me give you some basic information about how to plant. For outdoor landscape planting, find a spot where your plants will receive plenty of sun and well-drained soil. Usually, we dig holes and plant the bulb clumps 8 to 10 inches apart with 2 to 3 inches of the soil above the tops. But my mom planted the tuberose in a 5-inch pot, so she cannot maintain the rule. But look, in this small pot also, it is so healthy and it is flowering. Water regularly during active growth. Tuberose plant is moderate to heavy feeder. So apply a balanced fertilizer every week. You can use liquid fertilizers weekly. My mom usually gives rice water fertilizer, liquid flower fertilizer and liquid kitchen waste fertilizer. We have to always dig your soil for the aeration for the plant. Also, remove all the dry foliage, the leaves which turn yellow from the plant. And sometimes you can cut the excessive foliage from your plant. It will help to bloom some flowers. Ensure your containers have adequate drainage holes, as tuberose must never sit in waterlogged soil. If the place you're living has heavy rain, you can just use this method. Now I will tell what fertilizers my mom uses to fertilize the tuberose plant. You all know my mom uses everything homemade in our garden. To get more flowers in our garden, my mom usually uses banana peel fertilizer, eggshell fertilizer, onion peel fertilizer, and kitchen waste compost alternatively in our garden. Some of you asked me that can we plant tuberose plant indoors? The answer is yes, you can keep the tuberose plant inside your homes. But one thing is, it loves sunlight, so keep it in a place where there's sunlight. Pests which attack Rajnigandha. Sometimes thrips and aphids usually attack the Rajnigandha plant. That time, spray bioenzyme on your foliage. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.